Being a spy is tough. I always said one of these days I was going to get out. Today is not that day.
Hello, Mr. Hunt. Don't speak. Just listen. I'm currently in New York. The tracking implant in your brain tells me you're in Los Angeles. Well, Mr. Hunt, I've put a bomb, a very big bomb, in the middle of Times Square. And unless you want millions of innocent people to die, I suggest you get there fast. You have 30 days, Mr. Hunt.
30 days to get from Los Angeles to New York. Impossible.
Ethan, you gotta get him. Get that son of a bitch.
But I had to try. So I ran. And ran. When I got tired, I slept. When I got hungry, I ate. When I had to go, I went.
Why are you running? Are you doing this for world peace?
Are you doing this for the homeless?
Are you running for women's rights?
Or for the environment?
Why are you doing this?
I just felt like running.
You just ran.
I didn't choose this mission. It chose me. Life is like a massive bomb. You never know if it'll detonate. Want to see how this trailer was made? Check out the making of video in the link below.
To watch other fun trailers like Back to the Future 4,
Shoes! I need shoes!
Forrest Gump 2,
Forrest!
Scream 5, just tap here or here. You can tap right here on your phone or tablet. VJ4 Raw 2.